नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट का एक लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ आप लोगों के साथ लेके आया। और आप लोगों ने देखा है पहले जो न्यूज़ था, रेस 2362 करोड़ डील लॉक आफ्टर 1:2 stock split. Chemical stock signs 7-year contract with Japanese gained. Tanpek Industries Limited and a Japanese customer have signed a long-term supply agreement for fluorinated chemical with an anticipated annual value of $337.5 crore and a total contract value of around $2,362 crore over a 7-year time terms deal. The deal includes the supply of 7,500 metric tons annually. The deal offers long-term revenue visibility backed by agreed upon volumes and will take effect on January 1, 2027. The company's domestic and export portfolio is strengthened by this deal, which also improve earning predictability and solves the company's standing as a dependable super in the worldwide market for fluorinated chemical. Mr. Afzal Malkani, managing director, said the contracts represent a significant step in deepening our engagement with global customers and reflected the confidence placed in our manufacturing capabilities and quality standards. The long-term structure of the agreement provides revenue stability, representing 37.5% of the recent announced fluorinated chemical plant capacity and aligns with our strategy of expanding a value-add downstream fluorinated chemical portfolio and building durable relationship with the global customer. The aforementioned deal announcement followed the board of directors of the company's recent board meeting on January 9, 2026, during which they considered and approved the subdivision of the company's equity shares. Specifically, one equity share with a face value of $10 per each would be divided into two equity shares with a face value $5 per share is subject to shareholder and statutory and regulatory approval. After obtaining the aforementioned permission for the company's shareholder, the record date for the 1:2 subdivision of the equity shares of stock split will be determined and announced in due course. The goal of the proposed stock split is to increase the liquidity of the company's equity shares and to attract small investors by making equity shares of the company more affordable to invest in the equity shares of the company. Tanpek Industries Limited (BSC) recently disclosed that the board of directors approved the construction of a new downstream fluorinated chemical manufacturing facility with an installed capacity of 20,000 tons annually at the company's current Kudolar manufacturing location on January 9, 2026. The project is anticipated to be completed by November 2026 and would require a total expenditure of about $495 crore.